This is the last command we covered, episode 19. So here at the start of episode 20, we'll go ahead and start with this Alice and Bob. Go full screen for now and get to where it starts talking. Here it is. Let's go a little bit above that. Using query operators. Let's see. Okay, using an equality statement may not be enough. To build more complex queries, MongoDB supports a variety of query operators. Using query operators, you can look for different sorts of conditions. For example, to retrieve all the posts that were created by either Alice or Bob, you can use the following in operator. Okay, find database post where Alice or Bob are in the user field. We didn't do any by Bob. The ones I did do were deleted, right? Maybe not. I think there's just 2 posts that are in there by Alice, but that's what this should tell us. We can confirm my hunch. It's like the last 3 commands in a row have all given us the same return. User Alice. Those are the only 2 we've got in there. That's fine. That's what I was expecting. Back to the book. And that's our first real command. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one we put in the notes. So we'll keep going from there. There are plenty of other query operators you can learn about by visiting MongoDB manual operator query selectors. Alright. Building and or queries. When you build a query, you may need to use more than one condition. Like in SQL, search query language, you can use and or operators to build multiple condition query statements. To perform an and query, you simply add the properties you'd like to check to the query object. For instance, take a look at the following query. db.posts.find user Alice commentsCount greater than 10. It is similar to the find query you've previously used, but adds another condition that verifies the document's comment count property and will only grab documents that were created by Alice and have more than 10 comments. An OR query is a bit more complex because it involves the OR operator. To understand it better, take a look at another version of the previous example. While we've got this on the clipboard, we'll go ahead and update our notes again. So in episode 20, we've got 2 of those next to each other. We don't need 2 of those. Anchor to anchor. We'll lose that one. Return. Okay, chapter 4. Break. Paste. Save. Preview. Okay, we only got 120. We got both commands in there. I did them in the wrong order. Okay. Back on track. Really? I do have a double break. Okay, is that better? It is better. So we're right here. Next one, we'll just go in above the link. Alright, we're on track. minimize. Where's my actual, there.